Get snatched with heirlooms. Your garden's about to slay. Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. In today's video, we're going full glam on these seed packets, honey. We're diving deep into the world of heirloom varieties. Get ready to be shook by these 5 heirloom superstars that will take your garden from drab to fab. We're talking about legends like the Brandywine tomato, serving you vintage vibes, and the golden Bantam corn, always a classic. So buckle up, babes, because we're about to spill the tea on how to grow these beauties and have your garden flourishing. First up, we're talking about the Brandywine tomato, and let me tell you, this ain't your mama's basic tomato. This heirloom variety is like the Beyoncé of the tomato world. Iconic, beloved, and always delivers a show-stopping performance. We're talking about big, beefy tomatoes with that classic red carpet-worthy red hue. But the real star quality here is the flavor. Rich, tangy, and oh so sweet, like a burst of summer sunshine in every bite. And honey, this tomato has history. It's been gracing gardens since the 1800s, so you know it's got to be good. Whether you're slicing it thick for a juicy BLT or dicing it up for a refreshing salad, the Brandywine tomato is here to slay your taste buds. Alright babes, let's talk about the golden Bantam corn, because who doesn't love a little sunshine on their plate? This heirloom variety is like a ray of light, with its bright yellow kernels and sweet, buttery flavor. It's been a garden staple for over a century, and for good reason. This corn is seriously addictive, whether you're grilling it up on the cob, slicing it off for a fresh salad, or using it to make the most extra cornbread you've ever tasted. Trust me, once you go golden Bantam, you'll never go back. It's like the perfect golden hour filter for your garden. Bright, cheerful, and always Insta-worthy. Okay, so we've talked about the classic red tomato, but now let's get a little mysterious, a little sultry, with the Cherokee purple tomato. This heirloom variety is like the dark horse of the tomato world. It's not your typical red, it's not trying to fit in, it's here to make a statement. We're talking deep, rich purple skin that fades into a gorgeous reddish brown, like a smoky eye that's been perfectly blended. And the flavor? Oh honey, get ready for a flavor explosion. It's sweet, it's smoky, it's got a hint of earthiness, it's basically the definition of complex. This tomato is perfect for adding a touch of drama to your salads, sandwiches, or even just snacking on straight from the vine. Trust me, this is one tomato that deserves its own spotlight. Now, let's talk about a plant that does it all, the Scarlet runner bean. This heirloom variety is like the ultimate overachiever. It's got stunning beauty, it's a culinary chameleon, and it's here to make your garden the envy of the neighborhood. First of all, let's talk about those flowers, because honey, they are fierce. We're talking vibrant scarlet red blooms that cascade down the vines like a waterfall of fire emojis. They're like a magnet for pollinators, so you know your garden is going to be buzzing with life. But wait, there's more. The beans themselves are just as fabulous. They're delicious fresh, they can be dried for later use, and they even add a pop of color to your plate. Talk about a triple threat. Last but not least, we're finishing with a bang with the Moon and Stars watermelon. This heirloom variety is like a glimpse into the galaxy, with its stunning dark green rind speckled with yellow stars and a large moon. It's like a work of art that you can eat. And the flavor? Oh honey, get ready for a sugar rush. It's juicy, it's sweet, it's everything you want in a summer watermelon. It's perfect for slicing up and sharing with friends, making a refreshing watermelon salad, or even blending it into a delicious smoothie. This watermelon is truly out of this world. And there you have it, babes. 5 heirloom superstars that will have your garden serving looks and flavor all season long. Remember, growing your own food is like totally empowering and good for the planet. So get out there and make Mother Nature proud. And don't forget to tag me in your garden pics, because I live for a good before and after transformation. Until next time, stay snatched and keep those gardens growing.